Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your speaking and then compare it with AI so you can improve your pronunciation and fluency in 2025. Step 1. Open a free tool like Google AI Studio or Speechling. Both let you record your voice directly in the browser without installing anything. Step 2. Choose a sentence or paragraph you want to practice. It could be from a textbook, a blog post, or even one of your favorite quotes. Step 3. Record your voice. Click the record button and read the text out loud as clearly as you can. Step 4. Let the AI analyze your recording. The tool will show you how your pronunciation compares with a native speaker model. Some platforms highlight mispronounced words, others give you a fluency score. Step 5. Compare with the AI example. Many tools let you play back the native speaker audio side by side with your own recording. Listen carefully and notice the differences in accent, speed, and intonation. Step 6. Repeat and improve. Record the same text again, making small corrections each time. The AI will track your progress so you can see how much better you are getting over time. And that is it. By recording and comparing your speaking with free AI tools, you can practice like a personal coach is guiding you every day. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what language you are practicing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.